What's up, guys? Hope you're all fine. So, let's start our second exercise of Autodesk Inventor Professionals. We are going to make this model. You can take a screenshot. Open a new drawing, new file. Okay, great. We will start from here. First of all, we will make its base 40 and 60. Start sketch. 2-point rectangle. 40. Sixty. Enter. Zoom out. Now we're going to extrude it. For extrusion, it's 10 mm. Now we have to make this at the center 40 40 40 square. Plug this plane, create new sketch, two-point rectangle. Just make a rectangle first of 40, tab 40. Now take general dimensions, take this, zoom in. It needs extrusion of 20. Select this plane, create sketch, tab 22, enter. Okay, take dimensions, make this into middle. Extrude, cut. We are going to cut this 15. Now we can make it this cuts will just simply place here and here. Okay, start sketch. First of all, we are going to project geometry this and this. Okay, take a line, take the dimensions from this to this, it's 10. From this to this, it's 20. Okay, now we'll choose root. We will take this and this, cut this, take through all, and it's done. We're going to take this cut also. It's of 22 of 5 mm. Okay, Take 2-point rectangle, 22, tab, 5, enter. Take this tool, coincide constraint, again, okay. Go to 3D model, extrude, cut, through all, okay. And now we don't have to do all steps from this side. So we are going to take this plane, midplane between two planes. We are going to choose this plane and this plane. Here is our plane. Okay. Just take mirror command. Just take this feature for mirror. Choose mirror plane. So if you can see, it's projecting. Okay, we are going to get this. Now our drawing is complete, but here is its plane, which is looking weird. So for this, we can turn off its visibility. So in this exercise, we had learned plane, mirror command, and we had learned a little bit of project geometry and some create tools. Hope you like this exercise. For more, you can subscribe our channel and like this video, and you can share with your friends also. Thank you very much.